Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you a simple but elegant home decor project using these Dollar Tree 5-inch mirrors. The first thing I did was remove the black tabs and the stickers from the back of my mirrors, and then I used a strong adhesive to adhere 3 of those mirrors together. To help hold my mirrors firmly together, I'm adding some of these Dollar Tree Tower Game wood pieces with hot glue. As you can see, I'm adding a total of 4 blocks between the 2 mirrors. I repeated those steps to make 3 additional pieces. Once my hot glue dried, I was able to immediately flip over my mirror pieces, and I removed the excess strong adhesive with nail polish remover. To give my plain mirrors a bit more interest, I'm adding some of these Greek key acrylic mirror stickers. I'll leave a link to where you can purchase these stickers in the description box below. I lightly placed my stickers into position, and once I was happy with their placement, I pushed them down firmly onto the mirrors. I added a total of 4 of the stickers to each of my mirrored pieces. I then allowed my pieces to dry for about 2 hours. Next, I used more of the strong adhesive, hot glue, and wood pieces to adhere all 4 of my mirrored pieces together. I used 12 of my mirrors to make my 4 mirror pieces, and I used my 13th mirror for the bottom. I stood my design up to add my fourth and final piece. I then wiped away any excess glue using that same nail polish remover, and then I allowed my design to dry overnight. The following day, I removed the protective film from my Greek key pieces, and here's the finished look. To complete the look, I've added some gold florals that I picked up from Pier 1 some time ago, and I think it turned out beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're interested in seeing more projects using Dollar Tree mirrors, I'll leave a link to my playlist in the iCards above. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.